Factorize the following. What does factorization mean? We need to write the following expression as product of few things. Okay, so that's the whole funda. So now this is to do with what? Let's write and observe it carefully. 1 64 a cube, so there is a cube, and 64 is actually cube of what? 4, right? 4 4 16, 64, yes, it's a cube of 4. So something to do with cubes. Okay, so that we can decide minus 12a plus 48a square. We have a square, we have a cube, we have a linear term also, and we have a constant term also. What identity is it related to? What identity should I use? Yes, it can't be any one of this. So it has to be in terms of cubes. Obviously not the last one, right? Not possible. So it's between these two now. So what should I use? Well, it looks something like this, is it not? Do you agree? It looks something like this. So a plus or minus b the whole cube is so on and so forth. So a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. But we have negative terms, so it has to be a minus b the whole cube. That would be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so that's the identity that it's related to. That's how you should decide. Again, you can do the same process what I just did now. It's okay to have the formula list in front of you, but learn to identify what formula to use. If you learn to identify what formula to use, then the next process will become simple. So let us write the identity first of all. So it's a minus b the whole cube. That is, I think I'll write it. Okay, I'll write it here itself. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Agree? Can you see that? There's a match. Yes, we have a bingo. Now all we have to do is write it in this form. So this would be 1 cube. And 64 a cube can be written as, yes, 4a the whole cube. If you guys want, I'll write the identity also. We have been using the identity, or let me do it systematically. You can do it this way also, but a bit more systematic way will always help. So close the bracket. So we have 64 a cube can be written as 4 cube into a cube, which in turn is 4a the whole cube. This is as per the identity a to the power of n into b to the power of n, which is equal to ab whole to the power of n. Okay. Next, what else? So we have minus 3a square b and 3ab square. So all of this, as and when things go, I'll show it, I guess. Okay, for now I'm done. So let's go back to expressing this particular expression in this form. So we have a cube as 1 cube minus, that's good. B cube can be written as 4a the whole cube. 64a cube can be written as 4a the whole cube. So we got to understand that a is this and b is this. Once you have that in your hand, everything is simple. Just write minus 3 into, what is a square? 1 square. What is b? 4a, that's all. Okay, plus 3 into a is what? 1. B square is what? 4a the whole square. That's it. Okay, by default it will be this. You can check this and this, it will be the same. 3 into 4 is 12. 1 square into a and so on and so forth is 12a. And there is a negative term. This is a negative term. So done. Your answer is done. That's all. And in the next step, all you have to do is write it as 1 minus 4a the whole cube. Done. That's it. Literally, there's nothing else. So 1, 2 and 3 step kind of. Right? It's hardly any countable steps. But yes, it looks complicated. But once you get to be familiar with what formula we have to use, being familiar with how you can express the given expression as this particular formula, once that familiarity comes, you guys will be able to do any kind of question. You don't have to by heart anything. Yes, the formula has to be memorized. That's different, right? That will happen in time. But the process and all, you need not by heart. I've seen kids by hearting the processes. That should not be the case. Okay, guys. So pause and have a look.